I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play color line. First, understand the main goal. Clear the board by forming lines of 5 or more same-colored balls. The game board is a 9 by 9 grid. You'll see various colored balls scattered across it. Your turn involves moving one ball to a new spot, then 3 new balls appear. To move a ball, click on it, then click on an empty square. The ball can only move if there's a clear, unobstructed path, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Your goal is to arrange 5 or more balls of the same color into a straight line. These lines can be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal across the grid. When you successfully form a line of 5 or more same-colored balls, those balls disappear from the board, and you earn points. If you don't form a line, 3 new balls will randomly appear on the board. This makes the game more challenging, as the board can quickly fill up if you're not strategic. The game concludes when the entire 9 by 9 grid is filled with balls, and there are no more empty spaces for new balls to appear. To achieve a high score, try to create lines longer than 5 balls, as these often yield more points. Always think several moves ahead to keep the board clear. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.